as part of their Australian launch, Don Papa Rum have created these epic Don Papa premium briefcase kits. Now these are worth $800 and sadly they're not for sale. So I thought, you know, if you guys can't buy them, I need to share this experience. So let's pop open this box and have a look, because I haven't even had a look inside yet either. So let's check it out. Alrighty, first things first, we're gonna pop it out of the box. Little briefcase, it's a leather briefcase. And let's have a little bit of a look what's inside. We'll pop it open. Oh wow. Right, let's bring it over here, let's have a little bit of a look. So now what do we have in here? We have, wait actually, it's so hard to get out. Alright, first, got a little certificate in here. So, Don Papa small batch rum from Mount Canlaon. Butchered by my Australian. Don Papa wishes to welcome you to the world of Sugarlandia, a magical place where not everything is always as it seems. A world where your senses are heightened and delighted. A place that is part real, part myth, and all heart. Awesome. So in this kit, you will find a bottle of our famous Don. So this is the Don Papa 7-year-old, premium aged. Okay, let's have a look. So here we go. So we got, look at the bottle. That's awesome. So 7 years aged Don Papa. Basically tells us what we've got in. Pour yourself a Don Papa on ice. Take a moment to stop, sip, and celebrate your life challenges, achievements, and opportunities ahead. Wow. In a hip flask, is there a hip flask in here? Let's have a look. Let's just dig it all out. Alright, so hip flask. This one comes with a pre-made cocktail called the Mariano. How awesome. Oh wow, and it's got the ingredients in here. So this one is salted coconut and mango Don Papa, creme de banana, macadamia, distilled acids, and tiki bitters. How yum. You know what? I'm gonna give this a little try. Because I feel... Ooh, that'll be nice poured over ice. That's delicious. And quite tangy. Oh, lovely. Pop that back. And then, what else do we have? We have a little leather-bound journal. It's amazing. Can write all my hopes and dreams in there. My fantasies. Little Hessian sack here. And then a little card that comes with it. The soils of Sugarlandia are rich and volcanic, perfect for growing sugarcane and tropical spices. We have included some cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla to bring a handful of aromas and spices of Sugarlandia to life. So I'm guessing that's what we've got here. Yes. We've got vanilla beans, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Pour yourself a glass of Don Papa, roll it around in the glass, smell these timeless spices and how they interact with our rum and your senses. Feel free to experiment with these as you see fit, as to create your signature Don Papa cocktail. We have a little USB stick in here. Let me have a read of what the USB stick is. No, it doesn't say. Over the coming days, we invite you to immerse yourself in the spirit of Sugarlandia and create one of our signature Don Papa cocktails. So that's this book here. Little cocktail book, I love that. Classic serves, old fashioned, Don Manhattan. There's this Mai Tai, Manila Mai Tai. I thought that sounded delicious. 45 mils Don Papa, 20 mils dry Curacao, or Curacao, can't even pronounce anything. 10 milliliters of Orgeat. It's Orgeat. It's an Orgeat. They've just got me. 20 mils of fresh lime, 10 mils of mango puree, pineapple spears, and lime husk. Look, I'm not acting like I know everything. I literally don't know, but that just looks really yum. So, Want to try one of them, I'll have to track down the ingredients. This pack is sensational. I'm into it. Alright guys, well, Don Papa rum. Cheers. Thank you so much for sending me out this pack. I'm going to make a couple more cocktails with these ingredients and share them with you guys over the next couple of days. But I definitely think I'm going to crack open the Mariano and make a little bit of content now for you all. Thanks for watching. He just wants me to drink it. Things fall up. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Cheers.